Today, we're making a popcorn dessert. First, take a clean pan, nice and ready. Add some butter, let it melt gently.
Now add the popcorn kernels, just like this.
Cover it and let it pop beautifully.
Now take another pan for caramel.
Add sugar, spread it evenly.
Let it melt slowly, don't rush.
See that color? Perfect caramel. First, pour a little caramel into the mold, just a thin layer. Keep it aside.
Now add the popcorn, carefully. Mix it well, coat every piece. Crack in the eggs, nice and smooth. Add sugar for sweetness.
Pour in the milk melts nice and creamy. Look at that.
Whisk it gently until smooth. That's it, nice and steady. Perfect, almost there.
Now pour it into the mold. Steam it until perfectly set. Top it with our caramel popcorn. So beautiful and so delicious. Follow for more delicious recipes.